Why airlines don't want you to know about this bag. I used to be really anxious every time I packed because I didn't want to overpack and have to pay a check-in fee. Even worse, I once spent a whole vacation without my essentials because my suitcase got lost. I knew there had to be a better way. Then I found a luxury carry-on duffel bag that changed traveling entirely. This isn't just any bag. It's designed to be a carry-on while being spacious enough to hold all your dresses and travel essentials wrinkle-free. So no check-in fees and you can go right through TSA without waiting in line to check your luggage. I stopped having to worry about my belongings getting lost or damaged. Everything I need stays with me, right above my seat, giving me peace of mind on every trip. I know many of you are wondering how you're going to carry this across the airport. I had the same concern when I ordered this bag. But surprisingly, it's only around when packed. Usually I get princess treatment, but on a recent girls' trip to Miami, I carried it around the airport with no trouble. If you never want to pay another luggage fee and have peace of mind when you fly, join the thousands of travelers